In this video, I will show you how to add money to your Wise account. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you're going to want to do is come across to Wise and log into your account. Now, to actually add money, if you look on your dashboard on the home screen, you're going to see a button here which says add money. So what you want to do is give that a click. And what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this. Now from here, you can choose what currency you want to add your money in. So I've got a few different currencies, euros, British pounds and dollars, but you can select new currencies and choose what currency you want to deposit from this list. So for example, let's go ahead and select British pounds. And what you then want to do is add the amount that you want to enter. So just click here, add the amount you want to enter, for example, 20 Great British pounds, and then it's going to give you some further information, so what kind of debit card you're going to be paying with, and of course the currency. And if you scroll down, it's going to tell you when that's going to arrive in your account, and also it's going to tell you any fees you've incurred as a result of adding money to your Wise account. Now all you need to do is go ahead and click continue at the bottom if you're happy to proceed, and then it's going to ask you to confirm your security code or basically verify your payment method. So you just want to enter that into the box here. Once that's done, come and click the pay button at the bottom. Again, you can see on the right hand side a quick summary of fees and when your payment should arrive into your account. Now at this point, it might do a bank verification, so you just want to wait and basically complete the bank verification. Now of course, I've not actually got funds in that account to add to Wise. This is just to give you an example of the steps and how to go about doing this. But once you've completed those steps, the money should be added to your Wise account. You just want to follow the timeline here. So for myself, it says in seconds. For yourself, it could be a bit longer. It depends on how busy Wise are and other factors that can affect how long it takes to add the money. But that's a quick tutorial on how to add money to your Wise account. So with that being said, if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.